was out detecting this time around. My wife bought me a dolly pot because I picked up some rocks with the SDC. Here's me rocks from the trip. Get my finger out of the road of the camera. Not much noise. Wait, this one. My 3500 found this thing. It was screaming on it. I think it likes any kind of rocks. That the ground was wet and terrible. So that one looks interesting. It makes a bit of noise. There's 3 out. Now this one. No one looks interesting. That's going in the crusher. And this one, my camera will focus. Definitely going in the crusher. And this one, just look like ordinary hot rocks to me. I'll just smash them up and pan them out later. That's not a bad one. There's a little one here. Looks interesting. That sounds pretty promising, doesn't it? It's got some nice features on that. And this one, just looks like a funny rock. Well, that's loud. Oh, that's pretty loud. Another one of them long, funny looking rocks I picked up. And last but not least, this one looks real good. Focus camera. Not really. Oh well.